girls. Welcome back to Iroquois Elementary for another great year here at Autistic Support. It's Miss Pamula. I'll be your teacher again for the second year in a row. This year will be my third year teaching, and I'm so happy to have you all back in my class. The classroom's changed a little bit, so why don't we go on a tour and see what's going on with all the new things. Okay, boys and girls, I wanted to show you some new things we have in place around the classroom. We got new tables. Each of you have your own individualized table, meaning all your stuff can be at your own table. It's your space. And at your table, we have our supply caddies. In our supply caddies, we have our own set of markers, our own set of crayons, and our own set of pencils. We also have scissors, glue sticks, and highlighters in them. On the opposite side of our supply caddy, we have our own kinetic sand, our own Orbeez, and our own Play-Doh. This is really easy for us to pick up and carry with us around the school for when we go to our grade level classes with our peers. It's all our own stuff that we can take with us from place to place. Then on our desk, we have our binder bins. This is where we can put our binders or any books we have that we are reading for the week. You can put your own books in your binder bin. It stays at your desk in your own personal space. Also in the classroom, we have a lot of reminders on how we can stay healthy and safe while we're in school. That means lots of hand washing, lots of greetings from a distance like waves or smiles. We will get through this year together and have a great and safe year. I can't wait to see you all back in the classroom.